10 things to know about Python. Python is used for a wide range of applications, including web development, scientific computing, and data analysis. This means that Python can be used to build many different types of software applications, including websites, scientific simulations, and data processing tools. Python is used for server-side web development. This means that Python can be used to build web applications that run on servers, such as backend services or APIs. Python is an interpreted language. This means that Python code is executed by an interpreter rather than compiled into machine code, which can make it easier and faster to develop and test code. Python is dynamically typed. This means that Python allows variables to have multiple data types, which can make it more flexible and easier to use than statically typed languages. Python has a large community and ecosystem. This means that there are many developers, companies, and organizations using and contributing to Python, as well as a wide variety of resources and tools available for Python development. Python has a rich set of libraries and frameworks. This means that Python has a wide variety of pre-built tools and resources available for developers to use, which can help speed up development time and improve code quality. Python is relatively easy to learn for beginners. This means that Python is often recommended as a good first programming language for people who are new to coding, due to its simple syntax and ease of use. Python is used by many popular companies, including Google, Dropbox, and Instagram. This means that Python is trusted by some of the largest and most successful software companies in the world, which can help give developers confidence in the language's capabilities and potential. Python is versatile and can be used for various types of programming tasks. This means that Python can be used for a wide variety of applications, from web development and data analysis to scientific computing and machine learning. Python has a clean and easy-to-read syntax. This means that Python code is designed to be easy for developers to understand and modify, which can make development faster and more efficient. We hope you have enjoyed this video on Python. Stay tuned for more videos in our coding series. To enjoy more videos like this, like and subscribe.